Nih,
Apa Friday? Tambah kamu itu lah, singkang am tas ni.
Kublai yepi, mangau Melvin Mukim, naka film Haling Kabneng. Nakumen ban pentip shepi, ba nginwan rab yang sashi sini ka film, ha ususu tham auditorium, naruka kapra terik, adu laipuai terik ubenai jemang. Ki por kilong, kan arbaji mensngi, san baji janmiet, bat hanyo baji demiet. Kurmen banyak dua biang yepi sashi sin.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka kot admission na kamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka ba dunatam, but 6% ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
U sembon menteri rangba kejala u basnya balangdar ha ka khatpra tarik u jemang arja panrio u loong baka sorkar kadang Bishar Shwa ya ki jing Ujor halor ka jing pha ya ka jing pensngo pajba nakabenta ka Shree Cement Private Limited hadien baka Jaintia Students Union bat ka Jaintia National Council kila pelong da ka jekhi badeban Pyndam Mardor ya ka jing pensngo pajba. Kini ki artali ki kenhon kilakam ba ka environment impact assessment kadai ka babian bad la kenoru ba kadai ka jingpen khen lupa ya ka Meghalaya Land Transfer Act.
I told them interpretation has been received by me, so I will examine the matter accordingly. I cannot say we'll stop it and continue, so we have to examine it first.
So will you be uprising this year?
That is the reason. Because emission station, so when he comes, so I'll coordinate with him. Because mainly they objects about the environmental plan something, so it's important for us. I have to share with you since he's in charge of us.
The concerns about the paddy fields and the area is...
That is right, whether they explain to me the flag of this. So you see, this everything has to set up a cement plant. Always we should. I think maybe the company or from the government side, the department concerned, they should follow all the process accordingly. So we are yet to find whether the process has been followed accordingly or not. And that is one of the reasons why I requested the authorities. So when the sale comes, so I'll discuss with this other group should decide accordingly.
There's fear that, if the public hearing is not cancelled, then they are saying that the government must take responsibility for the law and order.
No, that we will see, though. It should not be in the line. It should be okay.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS,